Using indoor plants in home decor. Indoor plants are an excellent way to bring life into your home decor. They not only add a touch of greenery to your interior design, but they also offer a range of benefits that can improve your physical and mental health. From purifying the air to reducing stress and anxiety, indoor plants are an affordable and low-maintenance addition to any home. In this article, we will explore the benefits of using indoor plants in home decor and how to incorporate them into your living spaces. Benefits of indoor plants in home decor. Indoor plants offer a range of benefits that make them an attractive addition to any home decor. One of the most significant benefits of indoor plants is their ability to purify the air. Plants absorb pollutants and release oxygen, which improves the air quality in your home. Some indoor plants, such as the snake plant and spider plant, are particularly effective at removing toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene from the air. In addition to improving air quality, indoor plants can also help reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that the presence of plants can lower blood pressure, heart rate, and cortisol levels, which are all indicators of stress. Indoor plants can also boost your mood and increase productivity, making them an excellent addition to home offices and workspaces. How to incorporate indoor plants into your home decor. Now that we've explored the benefits of indoor plants in home decor, let's take a look at how to incorporate them into your living spaces. Here are some tips to get you started. Choose the right plants for your space. Different indoor plants require different levels of light, humidity, and temperature. Before selecting your plants, consider the conditions in your home and choose plants that will thrive in those conditions. Use plants to create focal points. Large, statement plants such as fiddle leaf figs or monstera plants can be used to create focal points in your living spaces. These plants add height and drama to any room and draw the eye upward. Create a plant wall. If you have limited floor space, consider creating a plant wall. A plant wall can be created using a variety of hanging planters, or you can install a living wall system. This is an excellent option for small spaces and can be a beautiful feature in any room. Group plants together. Grouping plants together can create a lush, tropical feel in your home. Use a variety of plants with different textures and colors to create interest and depth. Use plants to accessorize. In addition to using plants as focal points, you can also use them to accessorize your home decor. Small succulents or herb plants can be placed on shelves, side tables, or windowsills to add a touch of greenery to any room. Conclusion. Indoor plants are an excellent way to add life and color to your home decor. Not only do they purify the air, but they also offer a range of health benefits such as reducing stress and boosting productivity. Incorporating indoor plants into your home decor is easy and affordable, and there are many different ways to do so. From creating a plant wall to using plants to accessorize, the possibilities are endless. So why not bring some greenery into your home today and enjoy the many benefits that indoor plants have to offer?